The festival called the Festivals of Life brought together the vast experience and training acquired from 3 different kinds of festivals, which were the Mountains of Life, Rivers of Life, and Forests of Life, in a beautiful integration that happened on our campus at Kuvempu University. And it's been a real pleasure to have partnered with Azim Premji University's excellent team of very enthusiastic and creative folk. And what this was really a celebration of the environment. But through such celebratory activities, also a reminder of the duties and responsibilities that we have towards this beautiful nature that nurtures and protects us. And especially this was apt to have this on the verdant, green, beautiful Bhadra Tiger Reserve that forms the place in which Kuvempu University is located. It was a very interesting mix, if you ask me, and we had cultural events which are all local, therefore underscoring how environment, nature, and culture are so closely intertwined, how the expressions of the environment come through our cultural expressions, and vice versa too. It started off with a really eye-opening lecture by one of the leading sustainability experts in the country, Ashok Khosla, who spoke so passionately regarding the importance of doing the right economics in order to nurture sustainability.
The past, where we come from, our heritage, from our forefathers, from our ancestors. The present, where we live today, and our predicaments in the present. And then go on to talk a little bit about the kind of legacy for the future that we leave behind.
We were invited to this event, and this was an exciting opportunity, for we thought it would be ideal to meet children from the local high schools and the colleges and inspire them to do what we found a lot of delight in, and that is expressing our experiences through the written form. There's another aspect that I would like to mention. Most times, school children get very limited exposure to the outer world. Such workshops, such events, such programs will open up their minds to a lot of possibilities. They need to know exactly what they would like to do with themselves as they grow old. And here is an excellent opportunity for them to derive the maximum benefits out of interacting with a lot of resource persons, interacting with a lot of experts, and even volunteers who are so very willing to help them in everything that they need to do.
I'm sure the interns who did all this traveling and collecting, I'm sure they enjoyed themselves just as much as I'm enjoying myself, sharing whatever I know about raptors at these festivals. It's so much fun to interact with each other, especially with school children. And it's very nice to see the intelligence, the kind of questions that children ask. And then you realize that we are growing somewhere else. We are going to grow. It's a beautiful initiative by the Azim Premji University, and I really wish it all the best.
What we do is we specialize in teaching kids about mountaineering, the survival skills there, the rope techniques. So basically, what interests me in this kind of event is it basically gives a lot of awareness to kids and teaches them about the importance of exploration and research. And that is how they can get involved by their skill of mountaineering or life skills, all the rope skills, into research and help protect the environment that we are in, and what they need to do to be safe and keep others safe as well in the mountains.
It's so important also to mention here that such meaningful events can be done only through partnerships. where there's a collaboration of 2 or more institutions even. Let me just talk about our own case here. We are Kuvempu University, again, as I said, located amidst this lush green, beautiful forest environment. And so we are already endowed with this. And what better scenario and stage than to have a green environment in which we can unfold all these activities. But we also needed the partnership of Azim Premji University, because they are the guys who come with so much experience in going all over the country, taking such festivals and building on that learning. And so it was very important to have them with us. We are also advantaged because we have an active environmental science program here. And so what I'm trying to say is that this can't be done really with just one institution. It needs the coming together of various institutions, their own expertise, their own talents, and an awareness of what locally is available, because also environmental knowledge is in a way embedded in the local as well. There is a local knowledge that feeds into the global knowledge. So the local knowledge activity is enabled by the institutions around that locality, and other experts coming in from different universities add value to this celebration. And so it's very important to be partnered. All I can say to my young friends, students of this campus as well as elsewhere, and the school children, is think about all the things, or at least some of the things that you've taken away from this lovely celebration, and ask yourselves what each of you can do in a small step, as a small gesture even, to continue, nurture and save the beautiful local environment around around where you live.